Hazrat Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Which is why Archangel Jibreel, he comes down to this world and he says to the Prophet, peace be upon him, he sees that the Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam are gathered under a cloak. He says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has conveyed his salams upon you. And I have a message from Allah. And the Prophet says, tell me Jibreel, what is the message from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Jibreel says, وَعِزَّتِي وَجَلَالِي, that I swear by the honor and the glory of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, إِنِّي مَا خَلَقْتُ السَّمَاءَ مَبْنِيًّا, that I haven't erected the sky the way it is today, وَلَا أَرْضًا مَدْحِيًّا, neither have I stretched the world, وَلَا قَمَرًا مُنِيرًا, neither have I illuminated the moon, إِلَّا فِي مَحَبَّةِ رَسُولِ اللَّهِ, only and only for the sake of the love of the Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. This was the reason to my creation. So if you go around the world today, you travel, you enjoy your time by looking at sceneries, you look at different pictures and videos and social media, for example, just know that this dunya and this existence was created for the love of the Prophet, peace be upon him. On the night of the birth of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, before I go ahead and speak about that, I just want to say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created 5 personalities before the birth of the Prophet, peace be upon him, so that they can protect his life. The first personality is Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. The first personality is Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. The second personality is Hazrat Abu Talib. The third personality is Hazrat Fatima bint Asad. The fourth personality is Bibi Khadija salamullah alayha. The fifth personality is Hazrat Amina, his mother, salamullah alayha. Allah sallu ala Muhammad. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He knew that this Prophet of mercy will arrive into this world. He will bring a deen that will bring about so much enmity for him. So therefore He placed these 5 personalities in this world so that they can protect the Prophet when he arrives. When the Prophet was born, there was a few miracles that happened. A Jewish man on the outskirts of Mecca, he says that I saw a star fall from the skies and it landed into this world. And when I saw this star fall down, I had run to Mecca and I had to see that what was this falling of this star. He goes to Mecca and he asks who is the elderly of this tribe, because at that time in Mecca, the elderly of the tribe would be addressed at that time. If any sort of issue had happened, if anything had taken place, if any event had taken place, the elderly of the tribe would be addressed first. So this Jewish man, he goes to Mecca and he says that who is the elderly of this city? And who is the one who protects this Kaaba? And they all pointed towards Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. The Jewish man asks that what was this star that had fallen down upon this world? Why is there so much nur in Mecca? What is going on? What event has happened? And Hazrat Abdul Muttalib, he says that soon we will announce the coming of this Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. He doesn't mention the Holy Prophet here, but he says that I will announce this. But my point of saying this is that if this Jewish man, he can come and understand that the falling of the star and the coming of this Prophet is not normal, and he knows that this Prophet is not amongst us, how can anyone say that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is equal to myself? How can anybody say that the Holy Prophet is just like every other human being? It's not possible for us to say that at all. So therefore, our Holy Prophet of Islam, peace be upon him, he was created immaculate. He was created free from any najasat. And at the end of the day, he had come to this world to cleanse this world. If he's going to come to clean this entire dunya from all of its najasat, then surely he must be the one who is free from all impurities as well. Which is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, إِنَّمَا يُرِيدُ اللَّهُ لِيُذْهِبَ عَنْكُمُ الرِّجْسَ أَهْلَ الْبَيْتِ وَيُطَهِّرَكُمْ تَطْهِيرًا. I would like to end my talk, but before I do, inshallah, I would like to just speak a bit about one of the reasons to why the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was selected to be a prophet in this world. Hazrat Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he says in a hadith, he says, "Inni bu'ithtu li'utammima makarim al-akhlaq," that I was chosen as a holy prophet to be the prophet of this mankind so I can complete the values of akhlaq.